It is Saturday, April the 26th, 8 a.m. and I came out of my favorite spot, Fort Island Beach boat ramp here. Light breeze. It's just absolutely gorgeous morning, and I thank you, Lord Jesus, for this day, this beautiful creation you've given me to enjoy and to spend some time in fishing and just enjoying what you've given me. Thank you, Lord. I wanted to show how beautiful this is. Sun rising. There's an eagle's nest over there. I can see the eagle. First fish of the day, little trout going right back out. That rhymes. Okay, so Dave's got himself a big old snook.
You sure that's what it was?
Yeah, snook jump up like that. Just
Yeah.
gradually bring him in. That'll give you 4 nights dinner right there.
You're going to take that home.
Well, you're not? Yeah,
I'll explain to you then.
Well, you guys don't eat fish?
No, we do.
Some people, my neighbors, don't like fish. Yeah, you can start bringing them in. Yeah, they jump up. They're really sporty, fun to catch fish. See, you got beginner's luck here in Florida. Oh, man. Okay, yeah, go ahead and bring him in. It's not like lake fishing, right?
No.
You catch anything this big and out in the lake? You can tighten up the bail. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Ooh, now you can send this picture to your children up north.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely doing this.
There you go. I'm gonna see, it could be a jack, but the way he jumped up, he looked like a snook to me. Let's see when he comes up. Yeah. Go ahead and tighten your bail. He should be getting tired soon. They see that you need a bigger net.
Yeah.
Now we go.
Oh,
Goodness.
oh, and look at that. Popped out at the last second. Holy cow. Look at that. Hey, took the barb off the hook.
Thank you, Lord. That is a nice trout right in the same corner with the cobia and everything else that I catch here. Got myself a giant snook. Look at him. Oh man, he is so powerful. I gotta put the camera down before I lose him. Oh, that is one huge, beautiful snook. Thank you, Lord. I guess I need a bigger net.